ჩვენ ვართ ედისონ soft გუნდი, თანამშრომლობთ საერთაშორისო კომპანიებთან.
ჩვენი იდეა არის ჭკვიანი ქალაქის შექმნა, რომელიც ავტომატიზაციას გაუკეთებს პარკირების სისტემას, საცობების პრობლემას და ჭკვიან განათებას შევქმნით. ამ ეტაპზე ჩვენ ვაკეთებთ ჭკვიანი განათების სისტემას, რომელიც მოგცემს ძალიან დიდ ეკონომიას ქალაქისთვის და ქალაქი შეინახავს თავის თავს იმ შენახული ფულით, რომელსაც ჩვენი პროდუქტი მისცემს. ასევე ჩვენ კიდევ გვაქვს მომავალი გეგმები, რომელიც მოიცავს smart parking-ს და smart helpers დრაივერებისთვის.
გამოსადეგი იმ ხრივ იქნება, რომ ძალიან დიდ ეკონომიას მისცემს. მეორე, თბილისი მეტნაკლებად ცდილობს და მე ვფიქრობ, ამ ბოლო წლებში საკმაოდ კარგად ართმევს ამას თავს. თანამედროვე ინოვაციურ და ახალ ტექნოლოგიებს აუწყოს ფეხი. ამიტომ ეს პროექტიც ერთ-ერთი ინოვაციური პროექტი არის, ცენტრალური მართვის ჭკვიანი განათების საშუალებას მისცემს ქალაქს და გარდა ამისა საოცარი ეკონომიის გაკეთებას, რომელსაც ძალიან მოგახსენეთ კიდეც თორნიკა. ამიტომ გამოსადეგიც იქნება, თან ვფიქრობ ხელმისაწვდომიც.
ჩვენი სამი ძირითადი ასე ვთქვათ მესიჯი გვაქვს. პირველი, ჩვენ ვქნით ინოვაციურ და მაგარ ტექნოლოგიურ პროექტს. მეორე, წვეთ პრობლემებს, რომლებიც აწუხებს არა მარტო საქართველოს, არამედ ყველა ნებისმიერ ასე ვთქვათ განვითარებად ან განვითარებულ ქალაქს და ჩვენთან არიან სპეციალისტები და საერთაშორისო პარტნიორები, რომლებიც ხელს შეუწყობენ ამ პროექტის წარმატებულ და მაგარ დონეზე გახორციელებას.
Welcome.
Hello. Can I start?
Yes, please do.
Hello. Wait.
Go.
Hello, my name is Tornika, and today I will introduce to you Smart City. First of all, who we are. Our team members has more than 20 years of experience as specialists, which has ability to work in global projects and local projects. These specialists are professors in Georgian universities, and also we have high potential students, which has ability to grow fast. So, now what's Smart City? Smart City is central control system, which is using high technology to solve many important problems, and it will give us in living environment more comfortable. Smart City contains many projects, but our main project is Smart Light On, which is street light optimizing system. Reasons why Smart Light is important for our customers. First of all, it will give us safety. Using special sensors, we will decrease number of car accidents in the streets and number of pedestrians deaths in the car crashes. You can see here that car driver is focusable to see pedestrian which is crossing the street, and also people which have problems, they can switch on specific lighting to cross street safely. Our core is that each street light can gather and send information to each other, so we can make analytical research with this information. Our system is optimized automatically turn on and turn off with help of solar sunlights, and it will give us also financial economy. Also in sequential situations, we can use GPS and GSM system to change lighting mode. You can see there, this is a little demonstration how our system works, and you can see that help with motion detectors, we can change brightness of the light and increase and decrease. And our choice is LED system, and we know that cities that switch to LED system, they made their operation saving up to 40%. Without any logical system. And if they will use our solution and our system, this percentage will be increased more and more. This is the reason why we choose LED system. You can see LED is more comfortable, more whiter light, and more focusable than HPS, and it will make living environment comfortable for citizens. This is LED statistics versus other lighting technologies, and LED has much more lifetime hours, and LED has about 100,000 hour lifetime than others. This is mini demonstration how our technology works. One sector is 32 light system, and if we want to turn on or turn off or change lighting from central system, we can send information to server. Server sends information to mobile network, and with controllers, mobile network can change lighting and turn on and turn off. Also, we can turn on one street light in one sector, and with this solution, we can manage all sectors from one central system. This is electricity prices in Europe, and you can see that prices are increasing more and more, so we must solve this problem. We have three types of customers: private business, public sector, and government sector, and we have three types of services for them. But our core and main customer will be government, because we need to make cities more livable and comfortable, and we need to save their money. This is 5 plan of our project. We will implement this project in first year in our country because we need it. And this is our next project, so we will implement in 2 years. This is investment which we need to make laboratory, buy components, invite specialists and other all stuff. This is our main competitors in the market. And they all making lighting systems, but nobody has central control system. And central control system gives us analytical research to to know where is the traffic jam. We can make from analytical research traffic jam control. And we have it. Also, our 32 street light control system price point is from $4 to $5K. This is main and important slide in our presentation. In Georgia, cities are using 2 types of light system. One is HP sodium and secondly INC system. HP sodium cities are spending their 5,000 gel in 1 year from one sector. And INC system cities spend 8,000 gel in 1 year from one sector. And if they will use our system with LED system, they will spend 1,000 gel in 1 year. And this is big financial economy. Our product's price will be 11,500 gel, and if HP sodium cities will use our system, they will save in 1 year 4,000 gel, and INC system cities, they will save their 7,400 gel in 1 year, and they will take back their invested money in 2.5 years and 1.5 years. We have calculated everything. This is our partners, IT Step Academy, which gives us necessary workplace and best students. Microelectronics company, which shares us experience in programming and microelectronic. One of the biggest company helps us sharing their technology and gives us financial support to make prototype. And Georgia Software Development, which shares us experienced software engineers and software developers to make our project application really good. With your help and with our solution, let's save our country's money. Thank you.
Questions?
So
Go ahead.
sorry, you can go ahead.
Well, they're putting in a lot of these systems in the United States because it is absolutely true that it saves a tremendous amount of power and electricity and saves the cities a lot of money. However, there have been studies recently that show that that white light is not healthy for human beings at night. If that research proves to be true, do you have the ability to change the color of the light, filter it in some way?
Yes, when in the streets movement will not be, the brightness of the light will decrease. This will give us financial economy, and people and citizens will be comfort because there will not be brightness, big brightness. And when a movement will be detected, brightness of the light will increase. And when movement not, brightness will decrease.
So in my neighborhood, they did put these in. So we have LED lights just like this in my town, and it's so bright when I walk at night, I wear dark glasses. That is not good.
Is it controlled, or it's bright? It has brightness all the time.
It's bright all the time, but if it detects movement and becomes bright, and I am walking, then it will be bright for me while I am walking. Do you see?
Yes. We can work for this Polish solution.
All I'm saying is check that research and then see if you need to adjust it a bit.
Yes.
Something that strikes me is that to make this work, you have sensors, lights, control systems. So at a very basic level, you're not necessarily just a lighting company. You have sensor information that allows you to know the activity of a city.
Yes.
So light is just one manifestation or one output of what you know. So you know there's someone walking down the street or a car driving down the street, but what you also know is that there's traffic on the street. You know there's congestion on the street. Implement ideas for how that can be used, or what's the optimal route for an emergency vehicle like a police car to take, because you know there's a car in the way and maybe it should go the other direction. like something to think about is like this idea of just controlling lights. That's just one thing you could do with the information that you have based on the sensor network you've built. So think about that.
Yes, but we have in the future smart parking and smart helper for drivers. And if we know traffic jam control and if you know information where is traffic jam, we can informate driver then which way is better for him.
Yeah.
This is our hope.
I agree completely. I think that's a big business for cities. I know in the U.S. there's the Department of Transportation.
That's why our main and core customers will be government.
Yeah.
The public does not spend so much money in the electricity, and government is spending so much in the electricity.
I just have a suggestion for you. Over the last, I guess, maybe 8 years, there's been a number of U.S. companies working in this area. Many of them were doing, because it was subsidized from the government, they were doing meter reading, like electricity meters or gas meters or water meters. But since they already had the infrastructure, they've also moved to lighting control because you can do everything. And so I think with the learning has been, there are a couple of big companies. Silver Spring Networks is a public company in the United States, so you could get financial data and you could use it for research. There's another one called Trilliant. It's not public yet, but there's a lot of press releases. But the one thing I would say, government and public markets, the sales cycle from the time you knock on the door to the time you get the contract can be many years. So you will have to think very carefully about how to keep your company going before the revenue comes, because it sometimes takes many years.
Yes, thank you.
And I fully agree, Sal. So many companies, so many startups working on this topic. And
There are a lot.
it's
Maybe
quite
it's okay
competitive
for
space. I don't see anything which is unique in your project. Because really, in each country, everywhere people are working on that.
It is true.
Sensors, lighting, saving on energy, everybody is working on that. So many competitors. Of course, you can be the best one in Georgia, but going abroad, selling to government, finding partners, long sales.
And anybody has a central control system?
Yes.
We made some research and we don't know if somebody has central control system. Because if, also we have some ideas, if some accident happened in the streets, in central control system it will alert car drivers that in near sport there are some accidents. And we have some more ideas in the future to grow our project.
But your advantage is in the system. So because you're buying the LEDs, you're buying the LED drivers, somebody else is going to be installing the lights. So and you're buying the sensors. So when you think about what your company is really providing, it's information that can be used to run a city. And that's a different business than providing lighting solutions.
Yes.
There might be, another company might come up with a better light, better color, whatever. You're just going to buy that.
Yes.
Or someone's going to buy it. You don't want to be in the business of providing lighting systems. That's probably not a good business.
You want to partner with them, as I mentioned the other day, because there were several well-funded U.S. startups, $50 million plus, one in Colorado that I won't mention, that
They're
tried
in the
to do
UK
all
as
the
well.
sensors.
They're all over.
Anyway, very good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
თავიდან ნერვიულობდი, ჩვეულებრივი მომენტია, მაგრამ რო შევედი, იმდენად კარგად დამხვდა, იმდენად პოზიტიურად დამხვდა, რომ საერთოდ ეს ნერვიული სტრესი მომიხსნა. დავიწყე ჩვენი პრეზენტაციის მოყოლა, ისედაც ძალიან ბევრი ნაორჯიშები ჰქონდა. მე მგონი წარმატებით დავამთავრე. მთლიანად დასაწყისიდან ბოლომდე წარმატებით გავიარე. კაი შეფასებები მივიღე, კრიტიკული შეფასებებიც მივიღე, მაგრამ ეს ჩვენთვის არის საჭირო, რომ გავითვალისწინოთ ბევრი წვრილმანი, რაც ჩვენ პროექტში საჭიროა ძალიან.
პროექტის მნიშვნელობიდან გამომდინარე და თვითონ იდეის იდეიდან გამომდინარე დაწუნებულობთ, რომ ეს პროექტი მიაღწევს წარმატებას. ვინაიდან მსგავსი სისტემები დანერგილი არ არის, განსაკუთრებით საჭიროებს საქართველოში ამ სისტემების დანერგვას, რადგან შარშანდელთა შედარებით 33%-ით არის გაზრდილი ელექტოენერგიის საფასური.